Now in this section I'm going to see how to upload your pictures to the website. So what you need to do is go into the back end here and click on where it says Media. And under Media you'll see there's two things, there's Library and Add New. If I click on Library here, as you can see it's empty, not surprisingly because we haven't uploaded any pictures yet. So if I click here it says Add New, all I have to do is click where it says Select Files, and then I just go to the subdirectory or subfolder containing my pictures, and if I want to upload all the pictures in that folder I just click on one of the pictures, then press Ctrl A to select all the pictures, and then I click on the Open button. And as you can see here they're uploading one at a time. Obviously this will depend on how good your internet connection is, how many pictures you're uploading, and the actual size of each picture. So there you are, we've now uploaded these files. So if I go and click on where it says Library here, you can see we now have these picture files in the library. And if I click on, say, this first one here, I can get at the properties for this particular picture. You can see there is the URL pointing to where the picture is actually held, and you can see the file is called Web Design Western Australia. So in line with sort of general search engine optimization guidelines, when you're creating your pictures or naming your pictures, always give them a useful file name. So in this case it's web-design-western-australia.jpg. So it's a JPEG file, which is a type of picture file. And here we've got the title, we've got a caption if you want it. I'm not a great fan of captions, but if you put something in here that will be displayed under the picture, I'd recommend you don't do that. Something you definitely should do from an SEO point of view is fill in this alt text item here. So you can fill it in and that'll sort of apply it globally, or you can apply it whenever you insert a particular picture. So if I wanted to put a sort of global alt text in here, I could put something like Perth Website Design Company, and that basically would tell Google that this particular picture was about Perth website design. You can also put a description in. I personally don't normally do that. So as I say, from an SEO point of view, what I do recommend you do is prior to uploading the pictures, give it an SEO friendly file name and also fill in this alt text here. Incidentally, you should not use the same alt text for all your pictures. Make them individual and ideally related to the way the picture is being used within a particular page. So it's very important you don't have all your pictures with exactly the same alt text. Click here and I can close that down, and that essentially is how you upload pictures. Incidentally, it doesn't say picture library, it says media library. Sometimes people ask, well, how do I get things like PDFs or Word documents uploaded to my website? Well, in exactly the same way. So if I had some PDFs or Word documents or similar, I would go to Add New, go to Select Files, go to a folder containing my documents and upload them in exactly the same way. They would also be displayed in the media library here. So remember, it's a media library, not just a picture library.